got the whole world. In his hands, he's got the whole world. In his hands, I wish you a Merry Christmas. Herzlich willkommen auf Weihnachtsmarkt Mainz 2018. Und ja, diese Zeit ist meine Lieblingszeit. My name is Pastorin Maxine Howard. Ich liebe dich mit der Liebe von Jesus. It's in my heart. I love it. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Woo! And the dominant hand, that's his gospel. Spontaneity. You're not inside of a box. I love it. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare you room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Oh, a happy day.